So we're planting again because not all of the seedlings have come up. But I think that's one. That might be one. And we have some, just not all of them came up. What are we doing?
Good morning. We are, we have waited 15 days and we're only seeing 1-inch seedlings somewhere.
Some of them.
We don't know if it's weather. We don't know if it's soil. We don't know if it's our magic touch, but we are not defeated. So we have more seeds and we just replanted again. And we're replanting in this plot today and getting some weeds out of here. And we're gonna have flowers. We have time. We did it early, so we have time.
Just in case.
Just in case. And if all else fails, we have time.
Exactly. Good spirits, that's what we need.
So we need some prayers over the flowers.
Milky oats. So we're kind of sad that the seedlings haven't all started.
Yeah, so now we got oats to dry and we can use them for tea. But everything else is looking good.
We have some sprouts.
Some sprouts, yeah. And we planted some.
And the amaranthus is growing.
Yes, so we didn't see that. And it all came up like in the last 2 days because I did not see what the beans was. Getting it through.
So 2 days ago?
2 days ago. Anyway, it's good, man.